The Optimum Start feature ensures your underfloor heating reaches the desired temperature by the time your program begins, rather than turning on at the start time. To enable this feature, press and hold the power button to turn off the display. Next, hold the M button until Setup appears in the bottom right corner. Press OK until you reach feature 12 in the top right, which is the Optimum Start setting. The middle of the screen shows the number of hours the heating will start before your program timings. For example, 02 means the heating will begin 2 hours prior. Press OK to view feature 13, the rate of change. This shows how long it takes to warm the room by 1 degree, in this case, 20 minutes. This is for information only and cannot be changed. Press the power button twice to return to the main menu. Your Optimum Start is now active. For example, if your room temperature is 17 degrees and the target is 21, a 4-degree change, the system calculates it needs to start 80 minutes before the program. The Optimum Start feature will adjust automatically, taking the rate of change into account. Your underfloor heating will now efficiently reach the desired temperature by the program start time.